Hey guys, it's me, Lydia Marie. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, we finally made it out of January. Yay! This has been a very long and trying month for me personally. It's been a lot of sadness, a lot of heaviness, but you guys, we have made it. We're here. And today I'm just coming to you and letting you know about some of my very favorite things for January. Some things that I've already had that I've rediscovered a love from, some things that I found at a bargain, and a lot of things that I'm just now getting into and that I am really digging, you guys. So if you'd like to see my January favorites, I hope that you will stay tuned. The first products on my list I'm going to talk about is all about skincare. I've really been working hard to maintain a solid skincare routine, and I got a couple of things based off of recommendation. The first thing I picked up was this glow tonic from Bliss. It's actually called Bliss Glow and Hydrate Tonic, and it's an actual serum for the daytime. Now you guys, don't laugh at how small my bottle is, okay? Let me tell you, I went to Target to get it, and this is the only sizes that they had in stock in the store. And because I want it right now, I didn't want to order it, but it came with the nighttime version of it as well. And this is the Bliss Glycolic Acid, and this is the nighttime serum, and this provides the exfoliation. This hydrating serum that I put on in the morning provides the hydration. This is a hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm probably not. Okay, but it's Bliss Glow and Hydrate, and then it's Bliss Renew and Smooth. And I got these two in a pack from Target, I think for like $12.99 each. And you guys know I like to try before I buy anyway, so it was actually quite perfect. I've been using these now, I think for about 3 weeks. I got them right after the first of the year. Absolutely love them. My skin loves it. My skin especially loves the nighttime one. It really does smooth out my skin after I have washed and toned my face and put this on before a moisturizer. My skin really loves it. So shout out to Brittany Skin Studios here in Charlotte. I will link her information down below as well. She's the one who gave me the recommendation, and she's the esthetician that I saw last. The next product is also a Bliss product. This is the Bliss Toner, the Watermelon Toner. I love this stuff. I was kind of skeptical. I picked it up from Ulta. I was reading the reviews, and some people were like, oh my God, my skin was so tingly afterwards. I couldn't use it. I had a reaction. My skin's not super sensitive, so I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. More than one person has recommended to me this toner, and I actually needed a new toner anyway. They did not have the small size, which is fine. Ulta has a pretty good return policy. If you don't like something, get your receipt online or take it back to the store, what have you, and just return it. But this has been working wonderfully for my skin. I have been loving this Bliss toner, you guys. It is so good. A little goes a long way. A pump at night after I wash my face, and then I put on this serum. Love it. My skin loves it. So these were the 3 items that I've really had in my skincare stash from the Bliss collection. The facial product I'm talking about today is a line of skincare products that I was given to try out. And I have to say, you guys, this is luxurious. This skincare is amazing. This is from the brand Cécile Étoile. It is French. I have been saying CC Étoile everything, but it is Cécile Étoile. And this is the bottle of the hydrating moisturizer. This has bamboo extracts in it, and it is meant for, let me pull up the website so I can make sure I give you all the right information. And it has super bamboo extracts in it. I do have the gold line. It has 2 lines in here. I have the gold line, and the other one is a red line. And this is the Dramatic Skin Repair Hydrating Lotion. It is the truth. I originally thought, oh my God, bamboo, you know, a new ingredient for me, but my skin really has been loving it. This is a really good night moisturizer for me. It's nice. It's not too heavy that it's overwhelming and my pores feel clogged and things like that. Not at all. I also received the serum that goes along with it. This is really great as well. This is an advanced wrinkle serum. Hello, aging skin. Not quite there yet with the wrinkles, but I do have a couple of fine lines, but that's okay. So I've been using the serum. I have been using the Advanced Repair Dramatic Hydrating Lotion, and I Love it. This is so fancy. I feel like, oh my God, I'm so luxurious, but it is a really great line. I will also link this down below. I will say that for retail, this hydrating lotion retails at $49.99. I do have the eye cream as well, and I don't have it here on my desk, and that's $39.99. And the serum is also $39.99. So it's a little higher end, medium high end skincare line, but I was giving it to try, and I gotta say, at first I was kind of like, okay, I'll try it, you know, but I started using it regularly, and yes, it's the truth. For me, it works really well with my skin, especially at night. It adds some really good moisturizing properties to my skin. I think it's a good thing for mature skin too. I really think this will be a good line for mature skin as well. One of the things that I have been using, and you guys, when I tell you luxury is its name, is this amazing, beautiful body oil. It is called Simply Loved, and it's an independent. It's made by a Black woman, and the name of the company is Simply Made by Chopay. Look at this beautiful bottle. And this is the Simply Loved oil. So it's rose. It has rose in it, and it has sweet almond oil. And when you get it, you have to shake it up, because as you can see, it has the properties on the bottom here. But when you shake it up and you get all that yummy, yummy goodness in here, you guys, after a hot shower, after a hot bath, rubbing this body oil on while my skin is still damp, it smells so freaking good, you guys. And if you know about the healing properties and the behind rose and rose oil and things like that, if you don't know, I would suggest doing a little research for it. But it is amazing. This oil, I use a little bit at a time because I don't want to run out anytime soon, but I really love to rub it on my clavicle, to rub it on my décolletage, to rub it on my neck and back. This oil, you guys, it is so luxurious. Again, this is an independent company. It is a Black owned company. It's a Black woman owned company, which is just amazing. But she makes this amazing body oil. I will also link this down below because I believe she has 2 other scents as well. She also has a special for Valentine's Day featuring this oil, the Simply Loved oil, and some other amazing goodies. I am definitely going to link this website down below. You do not want to miss out on this Simply Loved oil. I'm telling you, you do not want to miss out on this. It is so freaking good, you guys. I cannot get enough of it. It just smells like heaven. Like, it just smells like heaven. I'm definitely using this tonight because it is just that good. This is the Simply Loved oil, and it's by Simply Made by Chopay. I will be linking that down below. You guys have to get it. You don't want to miss out on this. I'm telling you. I haven't purchased much makeup this past month. I'm kind of going through the phase where I feel like I have too much of everything, so I've really been shopping my stash. Normally I'm at Ulta like 2-3 times, you know, in a month, getting a big old haul of stuff that I already have. Like, I really should be embarrassed, but I'm not. But anyway, the makeup products that I've been most excited about, I actually got them from Marshall's. I was at Marshall's just browsing around, and you know, they have a great beauty section, and I looked around and I saw all of these NARS products, and I was like, excuse me? NARS? Yeah, let me go down here and see. So the 2 makeup things that I picked, actually I got 3 things, but the things I'm most excited about are these lippies from NARS. And these are the NARS Velvet. Lord, I do not have on my glasses, y'all. Excuse me. I'm gonna link them down below because these are the NARS Velvet Lip Glosses, right? So I got a fuchsia colored one, which is this one, this purple one, and I got this red one, and the red one is called La Palace, and this one is called Le Main Bleu. So I got these 2, right? I believe on the NARS website, they're about $28. At Marshall's, I got these for $12.99 each. Hello, talk about a bargain. I love bargain shopping. Do not sleep on Marshall's, TJ Maxx. You can find some really good, obviously, items that you could still find in Ulta and Sephora, but I got these for the low, very low price. They are so good. I'm gonna show you the applicator. They're very, very pigmented, and they have a nice full applicator here. So yeah, don't sleep on Marshalls, okay? Other great find I got from Marshalls is this Becca blush, and this is in the color blushed copper. I got this from Marshalls, and it normally retails right about $30, $30 to $32. Guess how much this was at Marshalls? $7.99. Hello, a Becca blush for $7.99 when it's normally $30. I have not used this as a blush since I've had it. I've literally been using it as eyeshadow. Maybe a little bit of highlighter, but mostly as eyeshadow. So to me, I'm getting a great bargain out of this blush. It can be the blush. I've been using it as eyeshadow. I'm pretty sure you can use it as highlighter as well. Don't sleep on Marshalls, y'all. They have got the goods. The final item on my list is not a beauty item at all, but for me, it's more of a self-care item. And this is a book. This book is called The Book of Tiny Prayers, and it is by an author named Reagan Mathis. She's amazing. I put this on my January favorites because it is the prayer journal that I never knew that I needed, right? It's called The Book of Tiny Prayers. It has some beautiful connotations, what have you, of prayer and musing. She says it's an unconventional prayer journal and devotional of musings to get you through. You guys, you need this book in your life. I don't know how else to tell you, but other than to say, I really have enjoyed this book. It is a way to get your prayers out, get your meditations out on paper, right? It's a way to connect with yourself, even if you are not a believer, a religious person, whatever. I'm not, but I am spiritual, right? I have a spiritual connection to self, to the universe, to whatever you want to call it. This book over this last month has helped me get back to writing, journaling, getting out my feelings, writing down my prayers, writing down my wishes, and just feeling almost healing after I have written down things, feeling like I've had a release. So this book is definitely one of my new favorite things. Like I said, it's the prayer journal I didn't know I needed. This is also from an independent author, a Black woman author, and I have followed her for years and years, and she's finally released her book, and I could not be happier. You need this book in your life. Trust me. I know I'm recommending a lot of things, but I'm telling you, if you are one to journal, if you don't know where to start to journal, you've always wanted to, but you didn't know quite where, this book is the perfect book to do that, because it's simple, it's beautiful, it's personal. So yeah, I definitely would say the Book of Tiny Prayers is one of my new favorite things, one of the best purchases, honestly, I've ever made. So thank you, Ray, for this beautiful book. I will be linking this down below as well so that you can purchase from that beautiful person. And yeah, the Book of Tiny Prayers, 10/10 would recommend. Okay guys, so that was it. That was my quick list of my favorite things for the month of January. We're entering into February. We're just getting our motor started. We're giving ourselves a little reset. As you know, this past week has been extremely heavy emotionally, just a very heavy week. So we would just want to go back in. I wanted to do something light and fresh today and go back in and let's just reset for February. I hope that you've had a great January so far. I hope that you enjoyed some of the products that I've been using. Let me know down below in the comments some of your favorite things, something that you might have picked up, something that you may have put down before and are just now starting to use again. But don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And hello to my new subscribers. I see you guys. So glad that you're here to join me on my YouTube journey. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up, share. I'll link all my social medias down below, so don't forget to follow me as well. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you the next time. Take care of yourself.